The final cue count on this show, 4,305 cues. That is insane. The last couple of shows you've seen were about 1,400 cues, I think, so that should give you some idea what you're in store for. Some of you might have noticed some strange apparatus out there in the field. It might get used in this upcoming show. The J Team, as they call themselves. So the J Team came here last year. They were actually an alternate entry into the Pro-Am, and they ended up winning the Pro-Am. Since then, they've gained some national recognition. They're really good at what they do. I called them the true amateur entry last year. And, well, they may have been true amateurs, but they put on a professional show. The team consists of Josh Gross out of Houston, Texas, Jacob Pierce out of Parker, Texas, and Jeff Ireland out of North Richland Hills, Texas. I think this summary that Jeff Ireland sent in kind of sums up the whole crew. He says, "Hi, I'm Jeff Ireland. Backyard Fireworks hooked me years ago, but the LoneStar Fireworks Festival in 2022 blew my mind with those pyro musicals. I volunteered in 2023, then Josh, Jacob, and I formed the J Team. We won the Pro-Am in 2024. Now we're fired up to blast the grand finale. It's going to be epic." The J Team says, "Tonight's finale pyro musical, Dream On, is dedicated to Charlie Kirk, a champion of free speech, who believed every voice deserves to be heard, every child is God's own. He said, speak your truth boldly, that's how dreams take flight." J Team, take us home.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Then again, too few to mention. I did